How to make custom phone cases to sell on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make custom phone cases to sell on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. However, in selling a custom phone cases, we're going to use this application called thinblue.com, in which it is a comprehensive app designed for Shopify merchants focused on print-on-demand and personalized products, in which it enables users to easily add extensive customization options to a wide range or variety of items such as t-shirts, mugs, and posters, thereby enhancing the shopping experience for customers. And also the app features an intuitive interface that includes a mock-up generator and real-time preview capabilities, allowing customers to visualize their personalized products before purchase, which help them reduce return rates. And from here, it will show you the demo on how you can start using this application or platform. We have here clip art, photo, text, and other elements that you can start customizing and choosing to start designing some of the template in here. And now to get started, you could also click the link in the description or click the Get Started button on the top right corner, in which you will be directed on this page, and it will show you in here the overview of this application. And as you can see, we're currently under the Shopify App Store, so make sure that you also sign in to your Shopify account in here in order to proceed installing the application under Shopify App Store. After installing, you will be directed on this dashboard of thinblue.com, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. And from here, to start making a custom phone cases, you simply go on the left side panel, this product piece. By simply clicking on it, it will show us in here a variety of product that we can start choose from to start making a personalized product. So from here, just click this import product on the top right corner. And after that, it will show you on this pop-up window some of the provider that you can choose, but just click or choose this Printify right here. And on the search bar, you can simply enter here the phone cases, in which we're going to customize. And after that, it will show in here a variety of options to choose from. But in those options, I'm going to choose this slim phone cases. So kindly click this import button to proceed and choose the print provider. And after choosing the print provider, just click this import button right here. And if you're not done, you will be directed in here. So kindly proceed by clicking this edit product in order to start editing some other options or details of this product, including the product title, description, and many more. But to start customizing the prices of it, kindly proceed by going under this variations option button here, in which it will show you a variety of option or model of the phone that is for on these cases. However, I'm going to enter here a prices only under on iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and also 11 Pro Max, which is amounting to $15. But you could also add the prices for other models if you want to. And after that, we can now proceed by creating an artwork or the one that we're going to print or design to these cases. And to do that, on the left side panel, kindly click this artworks button. Then just click View Artwork button on the top right corner. And it will show you in this pop-up window that all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including your name or the name of this artwork, which is phone case designed, and also artwork size. Just choose this import print area size and select the product, which is the slim phone cases in here. And after that, just proceed by simply clicking the save button below to proceed. And now let's try to add an image by clicking this image section on the left side panel, in which you can start uploading here a design from your computer files. For instance, I'm going to upload a photo from my computer files, and it will show you in here what it looks like. So after reloading this page, just simply select it by clicking the select button below here. And it will show in here that we can start customizing the size of it by dragging on its corner of the frame. And after it is now currently fitted on this frame, we can now proceed by adding more context that we prefer. For instance, we're going to add here a text. By simply clicking on text option on the left side panel, we can simply add here or customize a context. For example, I'm going to enter here the context that says our name, which is Benjamin. And aside from that, you could also highlight this text in order to start customizing the font size, font style, and even font color of this context using the editing tools that you can find on the top panel in here, such as to change the font type, its font color, and many more. And let's say we're going to make it customizable by customer by clicking this personalization settings. Just click this enable personalization. And for this option title, let's say I'm going to enter here your name, in which if the customer tried to enter here their name, this name Benjamin will automatically be changed to their name that they input. You could also input here a text case, enable prefix, suffix, and many more in here. So you can simply add here more options depending on what kind of personalization they want. And after that, I'm going to add here more context. By clicking this text option, it will show us in here that we can simply add here more context that we prefer. But at this point, let's say I'm going to enter here a not customizable or personalized context, which is a quotation, lives goes on. And if you're now done creating a design in here, just proceed by clicking the save button on the top right corner in order to save this phone cases design. And after saving the design, the next thing that we need to do from here is to simply create a campaign. By clicking the campaign button on the left side panel, just click product base button. Then just click plus new campaign button on the top right corner. Then enter here the name or the title of your campaign, for instance case. And after that, just click this plus available products. Then choose the phone cases that we just import. And after that, just proceed by selecting the artwork that we just customized earlier. However, as you can see in here, there's a lot of variation of this product or model for these cases. But we just customize or add the price for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and Pro Max. And before we delete some other variation in here, we can simply add or upload here or selecting an artwork that we just customized. So I'm going to enter here or choose iPhone 11 and choose the artwork in here. So just do the same process of selecting an artwork for those variation that you prefer to sell in here. And if you're now done adding or selecting the artwork, we can now proceed by customizing this mock-up picture. And to do that, kindly click this icon pencil right here to proceed. Then you will automatically be directed on this page. Then just click print area or add print area in here on the left side panel. Then choose iPhone 11 front, in which it will show in here the design that you can start navigating to change the location of it, the size of it, and to make it fitted to this case. So we can basically change the size of it in order to make it fit in this case that will be printed. And on the left side panel, we could even enable mask to customize this kind of design. But for instance, let's say we're going to make it simple, so I'm just going to enter right here. Then click the save button on the top right corner to proceed. And after that, from here, it will show you what it looks like. So this is basically what the mockups with the design on it looks like. And if we try to click the launch button to proceed on the top right corner to republish this on Shopify, it will show us that there is something wrong, in which we need to delete some other variations in here to do that, or to solve the problem. So kindly click this icon on the top panel and just uncheck all of the model of phone except for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. And after that, you can now proceed by launching this and publishing to your Shopify online store. So basically, that is just how you can start creating a custom phone cases to sell on Shopify. Thank you.